Hey y'all, it's your girl EK Slays.
To make the people say yeah, yeah.
And today, I'm about to cook for my boyfriend before he get home from work. I cooked rice earlier, so all I really have to do is cook the chicken for him. He wants some buffalo chicken. What's today? Today, Tuesday, November 14th. And it is currently 3:56. I'm about to wash these little bit of dishes in the sink. And then alright, so I'm about to season this chicken. This adobo.
Been a few hours, but it feel like days.
Garlic
Been
powder.
days, but it feel like months.
Onion powder.
Been gone for a year, only roll like once.
Nature seasoning.
Life move fast when you do what you want.
Paprika.
At this time, doing what I want.
Cajun.
Hope you know what you want.
Bella. Girl. I'm finna preheat my oven to 375.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better.
She keep getting her toys in the laundry room, so she be whining. If you want to get this, that will be my Amazon friend. Bella, what you eating? These brownie brittle toffee crunch things are good.
$2,000 later.
Today I'm gonna clean up my apartment.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even.
Y'all, so I'm really like full right now. Let me show y'all Billy. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna go lay down. But today I'm currently 21 weeks. Let me turn on the brightness. 21 weeks and 5 days. Every Thursday I turn another week, so I'll be 22 weeks Thursday. My baby shape is a banana right now. And Thursday it will be shaped like the ear of a corn. This Friday I do have a doctor's appointment. I feel so out of breath. But yeah, y'all. I threw up yesterday. It was so embarrassing because I started throwing up and I started peeing on myself. But then after I threw up, my stomach was growling. Like I was hungry all over again. Yeah, y'all. Last story of my life, I'm pregnant. I guess this is the update because I haven't been on YouTube in a long time. But if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and stuff, then you'll know. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all because I don't know when I'll be back up here or like when I'll pick up the camera again. So yeah.
3 hours later.
I'm finna go get tropical smoothie. I'm finna go try the acai bowl. That's where I'm going. And I just took my nausea medicine because I felt like throwing up. I think it's because I had a sunflower seeds taste in my mouth, but yo, that's where we were.
Bro, nobody don't want to just see you eat that whole time.
Yes, they do.
What else
Just
you get?
because you don't want to watch me eat don't mean they don't want to watch me eat.
Okay.
It's literally ASMR. Do your research.
No, it's called smacking. That's called.
I did get this buffalo chicken wrap. Again with no lettuce because lettuce make me throw up. I don't think I will ever eat lettuce again. You want a bite?
You get it every time like it's amazing.
I don't get this every time.
You talk about it.
Leah
They got
had
tomatoes in that can?
this buffalo. Oh,
What's
it
a
do got
tomato?
tomato.
You want a hot tomato?
I ate the tomato for you, so.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God.
I need something to drink. Can you give me something to drink, please?
You gotta be on.
He didn't give me nothing to drink.
I didn't get you nothing to drink because they didn't have nothing that you drink in there.
Yes, they do.
What they have? They have Pepsi products. You drink the Pepsi? You don't drink none of that. You drink soda?
Babe,
It's a gas station right here that I could go to and get you something to drink. Chill out. Alright, which one?
a Gatorade or a Body Armor.
And they didn't have that there.
Well, I know they're not gonna have that there. Yo, this is all I do. All I do is eat and tell my boyfriend to do everything for me. And he really do it. Like, my pregnancy been really peaceful. If I ask him to make me some drink, he made me some drink. If I tell him can he go to the store and get my cravings, he go get it for me. Literally, if I tell him can he cook, he'll cook. He'll do everything. Literally. And also, if I don't work, I'm in the bed all day. Playing solitaire, playing Uno on my phone. Maybe some other games. Or sleep. That's literally my life right now. Alright, y'all. I'ma see y'all when I see y'all. You didn't even cover it, right?
24 hours later.
Hey, good morning, y'all. It's currently 11:31, and I'm making me some brown maple sugar oatmeal. I'm about to do my boyfriend's hair so he could get a haircut, but it's probably gonna take like 2 to 3 hours to do my boyfriend's hair. I'm gonna heat it up for a little longer. I don't even be eating oatmeal for real, but I know I need to put something in my system before I start doing hair. This is everything I'm using. It's 2:54 and I'm still doing this motherfucker hair. We got a little bit left though. But we're finna go get Popeyes. Food break. Oh, I'm 22 weeks today.
What's the size?
A carrot.
That's pretty big.
You went from a banana to a carrot. Oh no, today Wednesday. Tomorrow I'll be 22 weeks.
What's that?
Hey, we made it back home and I got the fish sandwich. I don't know why I got this. I never tried fish, but it looked good. It was flounder. And my boyfriend got the bacon and cheese chicken sandwich, but he ate his sandwich already because he's a fatty. And then we both got fries. Both got lemonade, but he got mango and I got strawberry. And I do not like tartar sauce, so they just put mayo up here, but they put hella mayo up here. Look at all this mayo. Bust every time. Nah, this sweet heat sauce is good. I don't even know what made me get fish, but it's actually good. But next time I won't get mayo.
Yeah, the sun is pulling it out.
I don't know. I'm gonna finish eating, I'm gonna finish his hair, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.
To the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on the
3 weeks later.
Hey y'all, so today is Saturday, April 27th, and I am currently 29 weeks and 2 days. See? I'm all belly, and I just be having real back pains for real, and I'm starting to experience heartburn, and that's about it.